folks, it's your favorite president, Donald J. Trump. I've got big news. VIP shuttle services, luxury travel like never before, unbelievable service at an incredible price. They serve the DMV area and beyond. Nationwide trips, no problem. They will get you there fast. Perfect for airports, events, and trips. Business, pleasure, big plans, they've got you covered. Available 24/7, morning, noon, night, it doesn't matter. Sit back, relax, and let them handle the road. No stress, no hassle, just smooth, first-class travel. Sleek black trucks, private chauffeurs, top-tier vehicles, first-class service. VIP shuttle services, because you deserve the best. And believe me, it's tremendous. You'll love it.